We're pretty sure now that there is a reproducing population of African pythons here in Miami-Dade County. As far as we know, the only place they've been collected is here in the Bird Drive Basin. That's why we're here. So, and I don't know if Burmese pythons have turned up yet in the Bird Drive Basin, so we're trying to keep them from meeting and hybridizing.
But it was slipping in.
Yeah, it would be.
Go out to the road, take a left, go west.
We're surveying various habitats here south of US 41. We were going through some Malouk and there's a pond, and I saw two pythons next to each other that quickly slid into the pond, and so I didn't catch them. And so I started to look along the edges of the pond, and I saw about this much of the snake sticking out of the water, and he started to slide in. So I grabbed him and ran backwards, pulled him out of the water. If it hadn't been cold, I would never have been able to do that, I'm sure.
Then they were trying to get together to come and help Dallas, and they came across another python, so they're dragging one out. He said it was bigger than the one we caught this morning.
Marty just killed him.
Okay, this is a Burmese. Rock python.
Jiffy car wash.
On a site that we can all go and look at.
Been
About 12 and 10.
12-10.
Well, Sam, we're going to go back.
Okay, so 10 and 10
Awesome creatures.
This is a rock python. This is a Burmese python. Very similar in coloration, but the pattern is different. The Burmese python has pretty well-defined saddles, and the saddles extend down on the side. The rock pythons have a more irregular pattern on the dorsum, and on the side, it's almost a separate pattern. The African python that we're dealing with now, we are getting a better feel for how many there are. And we had no idea how established the rock pythons were here before today.